everyone. I'm back. So what we're looking at is the NASDAQ futures have been riding this 9 simple moving average up to the daily expected move. And what I'm looking for is a curl back down and around. So the Qs are already up there. They're well above the VWAP. This is the pink line down here. Basically what we got is a 9 period, a 20, and a 50 on the NASDAQ. And what I like to do is use the 1 minute, the 2 minutes, and actually the 3 minutes. And however, that is on the Qs. So the idea is, let me get back here. The NASDAQs are working up. We're going to start seeing this kind of curl a little bit. And what you are looking for is it to get trapped in between the 9 and the 20, and it usually will bring it back down into the 50. And what I like doing is, this is so far away, it's so stretched. So you'd see there, the market moves by time and price, right? So either it comes back down or it just sits up there and it can consolidate, goes sideways, maybe for another move higher up into the daily expected move. Usually when it hits twice and comes down below here, I will take a short right in here, because as they pound this down, that's what can get the 9 to curl. However, we've got, and I might just use a market order. Usually don't like to because you get shitty fills, but so what they're doing is they're just stalling, thinking. Zoom in on this 3. Looks like they might spike it down and come back up. That's about this closes underneath this 9. I am going to short it right in here. If it closes below that, it opens up in there. Opens up in between here. There it is right there. It's kind of a risky deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop. Let's get this opened up a little bit. Stop above this candle here. And the profit we're going to take down to this line here. We're looking to catch a bounce off of this, and actually it should be up a fuzz. To be able to not quite come down into there, but if it matches up with that other candle. Question is it changed so quick on the moving average that it did. And I don't want to move my profit. I do want to move it, but I can't get greedy. I got greedy in the last one that frickin' showed who's boss. So there was 255 bucks on that simple little move. We probably could have got some more back down into here to come back into the bottom of this candle here. Simply because when you look at the Qs, the Qs are so far away from they're so far away from the VWAP. But I don't know, that's something simple that I've kind of found useful. And right now you could probably damn near take it long if it closes back up above here for a move back up into the expected move. But I mean, we're already up. I mean, the NASDAQ's up 3.36%. I mean, that's just insane for it to think it's going to even go high. I mean, it can go higher, but shit, it'd be a hell of a day up. If anything, I think it would come back down to come back down to earth here to the VWAP over into this area. Not even quite, but even into this range right around in here. So that's all I got for you. Hope you learned something. Thanks.